Hello everyone, this is my outfit that I'm wearing for my Patreon video. So for now, I'm wearing my mules sandal and I'm going to take this off and I'm gonna show you that I start the car at the same time. So the car started and now as usual, since you love watching my taking off, I still have the price tag of my shoe. So this is mules with a chain in the front. So I'm gonna take this off. I still have the blue nails and nail polish, and next time I'm going to salon, so maybe this week. Always next time. Yeah, because it takes 2 hours before it's done for the, I call it salon, to change my nail colors. So it's so clean and fresh now, my nails and my feet. That's all for now, guys, and again, see you next video. Bye everyone, love you all.